this process up. This is the 1/4" Spectra coated flush trim bit, and it did a really nice job leaving a really nice smooth cut. So we can get that to put the 0 point for the point bit to round everything back over. So I got it zeroed on there, finish. And really happy with the way that turned out. So I'm adding a chamfer around the outside edge as well. Might as well do like this. I took it in 2 passes, and it definitely worked really well. For this, I'm using the 459.
This felt like
How can I be what you want it to be?
You just remove the riving knife after removing the blade, pull the brake off, and then you can put the dado brake and get everything all lined up.
at the time, but I turned around and made my way to the door. His mom remained
Back and forth to make sure that this is lined up with the CNC machine. I picked up the 60-degree V-bit we're going to be using to carve on this painted wood, and it turned out really, really nice. I couldn't be happier with the overall look of everything.
I went home, and he didn't get back until
With the multi-tool, and get this moved over to the router table. So for that, we're going to be using, starting on a new project to make